guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rosa, and on this channel we make plant-based food for you and your family to enjoy. So today I'm going to be making my hubby some vegan French toast. So he's generally used to eating the French toast with the eggs, etc., because he's transitioning into a vegan or plant-based lifestyle. So I'm going to see if he really enjoys these French toast that I'm going to make today. All right, so let me show you how I put that together. So for this recipe, you're going to need like a sturdy type bread, like sourdough. And I went to the local market and they didn't have any sliced sourdough bread, so I have to just pick it up myself and slice it. So we're just going to get that sliced up, and then I'll show you what ingredients you'll need to make the French toast batter. So for the French toast batter, you'll need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'm using gluten-free cornstarch, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed. Whisk that together. So next we're going to add some plant-based milk. I just use unsweetened almond milk and get that stirred up in there. Make sure you get it nice and stirred up, and make sure there's no clumps like of that cornstarch because it gets stuck. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of agave nectar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to whisk that really, really well. Okay, so now that our batter's all mixed up, let's let it sit for 5 minutes. All right, now that the batter's been sitting, just give it a little bit of a twirl. And I have some melted butter in the pan. So what you're gonna do is just take, like regular French toast, just dip both sides into the batter quickly, and then place it to fry. Dip it really quickly. Let's get one more. I think I can fit one more in there. Dip it on both sides super quick, and then let it fry up. Get it nice and brown on both sides. On this side first, and then we'll flip it over. And make sure we check it. I forgot. Ooh, it's hot. Ah, there you go. This one is kind of falling apart. Remember, I had to slice it myself, so. But looking good so far. Oh yeah, delicious French toast. Oh, that's gonna be so good.
I'm gonna try out the French toast and see what Rose made for me. He's so silly. Let's see, it actually looks really good. It smells great. I can tell that it's very crispy on the edges there. And it's just really nice. It's really, really good.
What's your honest opinion?
Honest opinion, it kind of reminds me, it was really good. So the texture, it reminds me of one of those, gosh, there was a cinnamon roll tear bread or something, like a monkey bread almost.
Oh, okay.
With the vegan butter. But you know, so vegan butter is vegan butter for me. But it actually is good because, of course, the maple syrup. But the texture of the bread, and it's surprising because it's not, I guess there's no egg in here, but it seems like it's custardy like a regular French toast.
So you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Awesome. Thank you.
This is a go-to.
Thank you.
This is really a good go-to. So
I'll let you eat.
I love it.
I'll let you eat.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm so excited that Jimmy loves this recipe as he's transitioned into plant-based. So that is a double plus, and French toast is one of his favorites. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.